Hurry.
Mary's got some issue.
This garlic's no good. I can't use it.
Well, it goes bad in February.
It's no good. Rotten garlic. No, I won't put garlic in. I usually put 2 cloves in.
Here, read it what you have so far. Just read it.
Onion.
Come on. Did you shave your ugly face today?
Howard, Larry,
Okay,
you're serving me.
what do we do now, Mom? 1000 ASA with no flash. The mail is not working, and my regular website's not working. I tried it this morning. Yeah, let me see, Larry.
Yeah, I line the bottom of the pan. See?
That's about 4 tablespoons.
I don't know how much it is.
All right.
Yeah. I heat it up. And I look at I got 2 cloves. 2 cloves of garlic. Look.
Okay, to add.
Don't you dice them up?
Go ahead.
No, because
Go ahead.
I take them out.
Go ahead.
I take them out.
Add 2 loaves.
I diced up the.
Garlic. Don't you have to wait until the oil gets warm?
Well, it's getting warm.
Okay. Now what?
And I throw in a diced onion.
Throw in
See?
diced
What's this?
onion.
See?
Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
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 So Brennan. Out.
Mary let me take the two garlics because mine were
Oh,
rotten.
you went over there?
Yeah.
Really?
No, she came to the back.
Really? Oh, that's nice.
Mine were rotten.
They don't last after February. The new ones, it's out today. Roger Chambers already picked this garlic. If I could
All right,
get some
go ahead,
fresh
Will.
tonight. Is he coming over there?
I don't
You
know.
should have him come over.
As long as the website's up.
I got it soft a little bit. See? Soft.
See, mine would have already been warm because this laptop.
See?
Call it
Now,
laptop.
I have this ready.
Okay, what do you have ready?
Hey, do you want nice coffee?
Yeah.
I gotta make it for you, but
Make it. You have cream?
yeah, Mommy's got
I've
it.
got 1 creamer.
Yeah. Careful, you don't. All right.
That's classic. There is no more price chopper.
You're really
Yeah, that
I
is.
used to think you're like just like normal. Now I know it's not the case. Okay, now what, Mom?
See, I get it brown a little
Yeah.
bit. See? Soft a little
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I think they didn't use rye flour in their bread
I
because
think
it's
so
too
too.
expensive.
It's too white.
Too white.
Right.
I don't think
Larry
they ever.
doesn't-
I don't think they ever used.
It was
rye
darker than that years ago.
I'm gonna call him up. Larry
Yeah.
told me to call him
Yeah, I
up.
want to know. Did he use rye flour in that, or was that white flour with some
Rye add.
no,
I
caraway
meant
tossed in? It was too white.
It doesn't seem like
And
rye
I
bread.
baked. I have good rye. I have real
and we're
rye.
paying.
I have pumpernickel.
You don't mind, but we're paying rye bread prices.
Right, that's not right. That's
It was
not right.
$3 for that bread.
I can make a rye bread better than that. I think. I gotta get
And
rich.
not only that, they put it in plastic right away so it's not
No, you can't.
Get out of the way, Larry.
Don't sneeze. Okay.
Yeah, get it sort of clear.
Yeah, I know.
I told Mary that Kay told me this 40 years ago,
Yeah.
and you like it the best.
Yeah.
40 years ago, when she lived here,
Yeah.
she came over and showed
Yeah.
me. Then I take toothpaste.
Yeah.
See, she figured that out too. The paste, toothpaste is best. See, and then you take the paste
Yeah.
and you pour it in there.
We should have a mirror over here, like professional. You know, a professional stove cooks.
See, I take the garlic out later. That's why
Yeah.
I don't mince it.
You can mince it if you wanted to.
No, you could if you want to. But I
If
don't.
you want to mince meat.
I used to think you were like,
Did you hear about the Mr. Wizard episodes?
no,
Got 3 of them.
really?
Did you watch Mr. Wizard when
Yeah,
you were?
some of the newer
Well,
ones.
these are black and white, written
No,
1951.
new. Don Herbert. He died recently. How about some coffee already?
Oh, you
can't
sit
get
and
that.
watch.
I'm watching. All right. I got to dump toothpaste in.
Yeah, then you
You have to,
fry that a little bit.
oh, you cook that a little?
Yeah, brown a little bit. Make sure it doesn't burn.
He told you that?
No, shouldn't. I think
Give you a little, like hold the spoon that way. That's good.
You say machiza.
It's, here, move back away. You're close to me. I feel your heat.
yeah, I'm done with the olive oil.
Okay. How could you be done? Oh yeah, you're.
I threw it. I put it.
Oh, yeah.
I put it away.
Okay.
Already smells like spaghetti.
I know. Just boil up this macaroni and forget it. Okay.
And brown this
It's
up.
already done.
Done. Chunks of onion.
There you are, Google.
It'd be all over. Yeah, we went to the Horn Dorset the other day.
Oh, did he
We had a
embarrass
bib.
himself?
Yeah, he had a bib soup all over him.
Yeah.
He's trying to pick the soup off his head.
No.
He's
It's
funny.
unbelievable.
Okay, come on.
Well, we're doing it. He's funny.
Almost done?
Oh, you want to rush me?
No.
You did it.
Oh, it's burning a little.
Well, I don't want it to burn.
You think you'll actually be able to make this,
Yeah,
duplicate
sure.
this?
Oh, absolutely. I make bread. I'm a bread baker.
I know you. I know
I
the bread.
duplicate.
Somebody, I was telling somebody that how you made the best
Sourdough.
bread.
Yeah, I'm gonna make them this weekend.
I know. Roger Chambers bought breads from Giuseppe's. I said they're great. In an hour they'll turn into concrete. You can build a house with
Mine
it.
doesn't mold. My bread doesn't
How?
mold.
What's the matter with his bread? Why does it spoil so fast?
Looks good, Mom.
Yeah.
That-
Oh, don't.
No?
Turn on the big fan if you're
What's
gonna turn it
this
on.
over here? Hey, you
Oh, it's
got
a fly.
All
Okay.
right, it's brown enough?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
Don't rush it.
Oh,
It won't be any good.
Browning.
Okay. Now I take this big can of crushed tomato, see?
Yep.
No, let's see.
And I put it in there. See?
Mhm.
And then I take each.
It'd be better if you had fresh of everything of those.
Well, I have fresh basil.
yeah, but you don't have fresh. We could have fresh
take only
garlic.
three waters.
Yep.
One, two, 3 waters. See? And you,
That was regular water. That wasn't even filtered water.
I know it. And you put it in there. See?
Yep.
And you take the other can.
Yeah.
Do the same thing.
Oh, 3. Oh, 6.
See, and you make sure you get all the paste out. See, Kay says she's Italian. She doesn't waste any. She doesn't waste anything.
So you pour that in the other can.
Empty it out. Okay. Oh, it went all over the thing. It went all over.
Yeah, because don't forget I don't secret.
Right.
Sometimes I pour it in the wrong place.
Okay.
You see?
Yep.
There. Now,
No, it already looks done.
Yeah.
no. Now, Kay, this is how Kay told me to put the salt, and she puts it on the spoon like that.
It says a mahiza.
See?
Yeah.
It says
It's
a
about
mo-
a tablespoon.
Well, whatever. She puts a little salt in, see? puts a little salt in, and she puts a little pepper in.
It'd be good if you had regular, real.
Ground, fresh ground.
Yeah, everything probably would be better if you had
Fresh ground.
fresh.
See how you put pepper? See, I like pepper.
Yep.
Now, you take a handful of oregano.
Okay.
It'd be better if you had fresh oregano. But Roger Chambers says fresh oregano if you want
You're
it.
spilling it all over, man.
Let's see, I don't see good, honey. A handful of oregano.
It's oregano,
I
by
know.
the way. Put it with an A. Say, you spell it oregano.
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 A handful of basil.
See, I'd put a few fresh basil leaves in too. For the fresh.
You'll probably make it better than
I know.
I ever did it.
And what else?
No, parsley.
And same amount?
A handful. Depends on, I don't know how big your hand is.
Well, I know how much.
Kay showed me a handful of parsley. See?
Wow. All right, wipe your hand before you go over there.
I have it all from the Google.
Okay, now what, Mom?
Now, I take
What was that? Sounds like Batman.
Phone.
peppers.
Hello. Yeah, speaking. Oh, yes, hi Kent, how you doing? Yes.
How long do you leave it?
Yeah, if that would work out, we're going to look at some other cars there too, so it might work out for us. No warning, just a New York State inspection. There's no warning lights, there's 4,300 miles on the car, so it's, Okay, fabulous. Thanks, bye. Okay,
Mary, Holly.
now throw in some peppers.
Yeah, usually three peppers if you want, but I had a pepper I cut up. Now I'm going to bring it to a boil,
Okay.
and when it comes to a boil, so it doesn't boil too fast,
Mm-hmm.
I turn it down,
Okay.
and I let it cook.
For
How long?
Well, I don't know how long.
30 minutes?
Oh,
An hour?
well,
2 hours.
Well, you keep, I don't know how long.
Give me a number. Gotta have a number.
About an hour, I guess, or
Okay,
less.
cook.
Yeah, because
I'll say 45 minutes.
well, I cook. Bring it to a boil.
Yeah.
How long it takes to bring to
Yeah.
a boil, and then you turn it down so it doesn't boil over,
All right.
and you let it cook and,
All right.
and stir it. Make
Yeah.
sure
Well, that was quick.
And don't watch it.
No, don't watch the pot
and
boil.
taste it, and
Yeah.
make sure it tastes like
Yeah.
you want it to
Yeah.
taste.
You can always add more
That's all I
salt.
put in it.
That's it, man?
That's all I put
Oh,
in
that's
it.
marvelous. Look at that. Even looks